are Sathe from Crazy K9 campus, and we are at yet another beautiful location near Nashik city. It's hardly about an hour's drive from Nashik on the Trambakeshwar road, and we are at the village called Anjaneri village, which is the birthplace of Lord Hanuman, and we're going to tell you all about this beautiful location and a pet-friendly farm. We are at Atharva Farm, which is a small property which is 3 rooms and a hall and a kitchen, but a lovely lawn outside for the dogs to run around, and there is a lot of property, lot of trees around, and it's, as you can see, it's right by the lake, so you can go for a swim anytime you want. There is a cute machan on the property, and the view from the machan is stunning. When we take our dogs out of the city, we always look for offbeat places which are away from the crowd, with lots of open space for the dogs to run. We want the dogs to explore nature, swim, and just have a great time. You can hear the peacocks from the forest. Atharva Farms is kid friendly and pet friendly. There's lots of place for the dogs to run around and kids to explore. There are lots of fruit trees, flowering trees, and tons of butterflies. It's our birthday morning and we've decided to have breakfast on the hill. And just look at the view.
Hello.
If you're traveling with your dogs and your kids, there are many things you can do around. You can go for a swim at the lake, obviously, and there's a lovely hike up there near the property where we went yesterday for a picnic breakfast. It's kid friendly, so the kids can walk. It'll barely take you 20-25 minutes to walk up, and there's a lovely view of the entire lake and the Anjaneri village and all the mountains around, so you can enjoy your picnic breakfast there. The rooms are pretty basic. They're non-AC rooms but neat and clean. There are a lot of voltage fluctuations, so you'll have to bear that in mind. The fridge doesn't work because of the voltage fluctuations, so if you want to carry your food or drinks or something, you'll have to carry your ice boxes. We had a lot of difficulty finding ice from the village, so we had to go all the way to the restaurant and get some from them. But whatever you need, it's best to get it with you before you travel here. The staff here serves home cooked food, veg and non-veg, but if you need anything fancy or if you need any variety, there are few options of dhabas and restaurants which you can order from, but you will have to order them in advance so that they can deliver, or you can go and pick it up. I hope you liked the video. Do like and subscribe our channel, and don't forget to click the bell icon. We'll see you soon with yet another lovely location. Bye. Thank you.